Home Remedies presents Pour salt in your kitchen sink to clean and unclog the drains. Clogged drains are full of greasy substances, which can be broken down by a common household substance, salt. For best results, put salt down the drain with hot water. Now we will see a few important tips to ensure your sink and drain pipes aren't damaged in the process. How to clean a drain with salt water. Ingredients: salt, quarter cup, water, 8 cups. Directions: to clean a drain using salt water, start by combining salt with water in a large pot and heating it on the stove. It's crucial not to boil the water but instead heat it to about 200 degrees Fahrenheit. This helps the salt dissolve but protects your plumbing from damage from boiling water. Boiling water can loosen the joints on PVC and cause leaks. Also avoid pouring boiling water into a porcelain sink since it can crack due to the sudden change in temperature. Once the salt water is hot, pour it immediately down the drain. This solution is sufficient for cleaning a drain to prevent a clog. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.